Smart Entertainment presents. Hey, we're out here on the streets right now to find out if anybody is smarter than their smartphone. Are you smarter than your smartphone? Let's find out. Come on. We gotta try to find someone who might know something about the reality display with the Bravia engine. Hey guys, can I ask you a question real quick? What's reality to you?
Reality.
Exactly.
This is reality.
There you go.
Yeah.
I'm real. Check that out. Do you have any idea what a reality display might be?
No, I don't. Maybe it's a quite good display.
Not bad, not
Similar to the reality.
Yes.
Okay.
You got a good one.
I know.
So what are you going to do with the reality display?
You can watch movies on it.
What are your favorite movies?
Thrill.
Thriller movies?
Yes.
Like this, like... Which one is real?
Okay.
Pretty similar.
And it looks the same. This one is real for sure.
This one. What about you? Are you with the ladies? Tell me the truth.
A little bit shy.
I'm kind of shy. You're a pretty girl.
Thank you.
Okay. I mean, we're pretending.
Me?
Let's say you want to ask this girl out for a date. Let's say you want to ask her for a coffee. Don't get nervous. Let's get nervous already.
Oh, good afternoon. Can I ask you a question? Would you like to go out for a cup of coffee with me? I'm a very good listener. I take the garbage out. I like children. I love your family. And I love shopping.
He loves shopping.
Yes.
You're going to have to marry this guy.
How does it work?
You know the Sony Bravia technology for televisions?
Yes.
The big screen, crazy, perfect. It's the same exact technology in the phone's face.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Let's face it, people. There's probably no better smartphone screen than the Xperia Mini Pros. It's got a mobile Bravia engine. That's enhanced contrast, richer colors. It's crisp and clear, even in the brightest sunlight. Booyah! Take it to the bank.